Alrighty, YouTubey, you have arrived at episode 9 of our road, actually ride to Romaniacs. And in this video we are going to apply everything we have from ACEBIKES. And ACEBIKES is a really cool brand because they have the best stuff ever. For your bus, for your ride, for your wagon, what is it? The van. I'm going to show you everything we have. It's really nice, but I want to show you this one already. The ACEBIKE stand cross. Your front wheel goes into it, you lock it with your foot. This is the best stuff ever. We shopped on the website. We have literally anything, I believe. I'm going to show you the fan. I'm going to show you what we the huge mat we have. It's Tuesday. We are leaving next Thursday. We have an off-road weekend planned this Sunday, and then we leave to the Romania, so it's almost there. It's quite exciting already, and yeah, let's continue to work on the fan. To show you how big this thing actually is, I am not a good measurement because I am 172, but yeah, this is totally my size. It's 1 and 2, 2.5, let's say 3. It's quite big, yeah, absolutely. What we have from ACEBIKES is a ramp. We have these plugs. We are going to drill those plugs into the floor so that we have these straps. We have the Ace Cam Buckle Essentials. Just look at the packaging. In nice pockets, in bags. We have these parking pads, really nice. We have more of those D-rings for in the floor. Jarno bought this bus and it escalated quite quickly. But maybe you can relate, that's how thing goes. We have 2 tire fixes for the rear tire. A thingy to lock your front brake. We have ratchets, premium deluxe, with a nice foam pea so that you don't damage your bike. I will unpack everything, but this is just a quick overview. We have 2 of those, another essential pack. It's like Christmas, we have it all. So, Jarno already did some preparations to the bus, to the fan. A new plate, a little bit thicker, and then we can mount the Ace SteadyStand cross onto the plates. Okay. Let's start with the most important upgrade. 2 times the SteadyStand Cross Pro. We have a manual attached. We have lots of stuff inside. We are going to show you how this works. This goes like this. This. Okay, and we have another one. This is the who can do it faster. We have one reading the manual and one not reading the manual. It's the mechanic versus the IT guy. Let us do a demonstration. At Jarno, the wheel goes in. Click. Fully tight. Awesome. Click. My CF Moto front wheel. Nice. Very well. Nice. On to the next. The ramp. Oh, go ahead. A ramp made of cardboard. The ACEBIKES Ramp Pro Max. And this is for people like me that are small and can't stand like this next to the bike. I can walk next to the bike. This is a very nice feature. Here we have the ramp, and the ramp is 75 kilogram proof. And there we have the bike. I mean, look at this nice setup already. Okay, we have one on the left side. This is a part of my CF moto. There's the rest of Jarno's CF moto. One is more to the front, one is a little bit to the back, so that the handlebars don't touch each other. You have lots of space. I can sleep here. It's so it's so roomy. Next is, how is it called? Tyre Fix, the ACEBIKES Tyre Fix. The packaging alone is already worth the price. Stickers. Really noisy. Okay, and before it's dark, let me unpack the rest. What we have, it's all nice packed in their own bag. Look how cool they've done this. Premium Deluxe with soft bands, goes through your handlebars or anything, and that you can lock it to the floor. We have two of those Deluxe packages, and we have a side stand foot thingy. We have maybe a little bit too much of these D-Ring Pro hooks. Well, Jarno is going to work with his brain. Hello, doggo. And probably make another plate here so we can fix it. This plate that's currently mounted to the bottom is a little bit too thin. Yay, stinky. This will be covered later in the video. We're going to mount these to the front. Well, you've seen it already. It's so nice. So the bike sits by itself and we only have locked the front wheel. So when this is the ID, this setup is really the best. What you can do is adjust this one. Just let it rest on the tire and then you lock it with this system. That's it, let me show it to you. You probably need to be a little bit stronger. And done, locked in place, ain't going anywhere. Alright, we continue with the last D-rings mounting, and because it's getting dark and the camera probably cannot see it in the best quality anymore, we continue another day. See you in the next shot. Awesome. Okay YouTube, we have made it into the fan and we are on our way with Jarno. We are on our way to the track, and this is the last track test day and test of the fan before we head to the Romaniacs. And have a look at this nice fan. Jarno built this screen into the fan so that we have a nice, we can watch Netflix and all that kind of stuff, and we have Bluetooth radio now. It's big, it's nice compared to the cars next to us. Quite a big fan. We are now onto the local track. I will show it to you when we unload the bikes. You can actually see them, I think. You cannot see them, but we can see them. It's nice. This is the best upgrade ever. The ride to Romaniacs. Bam. Alright, that wraps it up for this video, because this video is only about the fan. And well, here's the bike and Jarno's bike. We did 2 rounds already and we go for another couple of rounds. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video of this extremely nice fan. We are happy with it. Yeah, have a look inside. Oops! The ramp, the SteadyStand, the Jarno. Awesome. Sorry. See you in the next one.